It's oh wait, let's try that sponge. Actually, it looks like a sponge. My girlfriend just said that they use that type of sponges in Greece to clean their dishes, but good morning, guys. I'm so excited as I'm finally done with my outdoor gym. Well, more like 90% done, but I'm gonna take you out in a minute and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Now, as you all know, it's the pumpkin season and Halloween is about 3 days away from now. So I felt like I really had to share this delicious and extremely easy pumpkin muffin in a cup recipe, or whichever way you want to call it, but it's delicious and it's very easy. So all you're gonna need are 6 ingredients. So the dry ingredients are three and three liquid ingredients just to make it even easier. We're gonna need some maple syrup, we're gonna need some whole milk, and we're gonna need the pumpkin puree, which I actually made myself. It smells delicious. That's how it looks. So we're gonna need the pumpkin puree. We're gonna need three dry ingredients as I already mentioned. We're gonna need the mixed spice or the pumpkin spice known in some countries. We're gonna need some baking powder and we're gonna need old brand. Alright, now let's get into mixing. We can mix everything in just 1 cup, so we're not gonna have to make anything dirty. Which spoon we're gonna use? Let's take 1 tablespoon and we're gonna take one of the teaspoons. After we're done with that recipe, I'm gonna show you a different variation of the same thing, just with a protein powder, just to boost that protein. The best thing on that one is that it's about 150, 170 calories, if I remember correctly. It's not very high on protein. It has about 20 grams of carbohydrates, and of course it's very low on fats because there is not that many fatty things that we've added besides the whole fat milk. The best thing is that it takes you only 2 minutes to make. So you have to mix everything. Let's say it's gonna take you a minute to mix everything, and then you're gonna put this one in the microwave. I'm not a big fan of microwaving food, but once in a while, especially if you're in a rush, and considering the amazing result that you're getting, I think it's worth it. Alright, let's move these things away. Now this cup is gonna be for later. And one more thing that you can add, which I forgot. It's not necessary, but if you do it, it's gonna definitely help for the whole muffin to rise a little bit more. As you know, you need to activate that baking powder, and the way to activate the baking powder is by adding some type of acid. And the acid that I'm gonna add is a little bit of lemon. Also, it's gonna add some taste, so I think that lemon is almost gone. It's been almost a minute and a half. Let's wait a few more seconds. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Fine. And that is how our protein pumpkin muffin cup looks at the moment. We have got our protein pumpkin muffin ready in a cup. And see how it looks. Do you see the little hose here? That's all with the help of the lemon that we put. That's what activated the baking powder. But no one cares about that. So let's just flip it over. Oh, that was it. Oh wow. And that was easier than I expected. So that's what it looks like. Let's put it down here. I think that looks nice. Let's take the other one. That's the first one that we made. That's just the regular one. I think they look beautiful. Alright, they smell delicious. That's one I can guarantee you're gonna love those. To be honest, this one without the protein smells much better. This one had some, I think it's because of the protein. It doesn't smell as nice. This one, I probably put a little bit more of the pumpkin spice into that one. Oh well. So that's how they look. We're gonna grab, which one shall we grab? Probably the protein one. And we're gonna head over out so I can show you my home gym, my outdoor home gym. We've got our protein pumpkin muffin cup and cupcake. And now let me show what my gym looks like. Alright, so let's get the password here. Alright, are you ready? Okay, well, here it is, guys. So I spent quite a lot of time until I managed to get to this point, but let me take you through retrospectively what I first got. So here you can see my easy bar. So here I've got around 30 kilograms on that easy bar. I've got this one here. Okay, now first, it's not the best way to see it. It was raining all day yesterday, so I had it covered, which this tarpaulin, that's why I said it's almost done, because this tarpaulin needs changing. And yeah, we're gonna get this one changed. Now here I have got my pull-up station and dip station, as you can see. So I can do pull-ups, I can do dips. I've made a little bit of a, what is it, an addition. So I've got the dumbbell here, which I'm gonna show you in another video how I'm using it. And of course, the big star, I've got my squat rack here with the Olympic bar, 7 feet Olympic bar, and the bench. I just love this one. And what have we got else? Okay, so here I've got my dumbbells. Even for my height, here is getting a little bit low, but yeah, I've got my dumbbells. I've got a 10 kilogram dumbbell. Unfortunately, it's only one. 2 8 kilogram dumbbells and 2 18 kilogram dumbbells. Then I've got these barbells that I love using. These are actually the last ones, so I said I'm gonna go retrospectively, but these are the last addition to my gym. So what have we got here? We've got 35 kg, we've got 17.5 kg, and we've got 10 kg. Yeah, over here on the bar, the discs that I have on the bar are 20 kgs, we've got 5 kgs, we've got 2.5 here in the middle, and we've got 10 kgs. So we can put a pretty decent load. I think I can get it up to 95 kg because the bar is 20, and yeah, when you add all up it gets up to 95. So yeah, it's a decent load. I can do my squats, I can do my bench press, I can do barbell rows, so I can effectively target all the muscle groups. And yeah, I just love it. But as you know, the building of the gym never ends. You can add more and more and more stuff, and there is gonna be never enough. So yeah, that was for today's video. Hopefully very soon I'm gonna start adding workout videos for the different muscle groups. Right, see you in the, oh wait, let's try that sponge actually. It looks like a sponge. My girlfriend just said that they use that type of sponges in Greece to clean their dishes, but this is my protein muffin cupcake. Let's see. It smells good. Now, it's very dry. I would definitely put something on top of it. Yeah, the version without the protein, I think it's much better. Oh my god, this is so dry. Yeah, definitely we can put some jam on top of it. Just a little bit, not too much. Just to make it a little bit more moist. And it tastes good actually. It's dry, but it tastes good. Yeah, I would definitely put something on top of it. It's still low in calories, so you can afford that. And what else I can say about it? I don't think I can say much more. It tastes good. It's loaded on protein because it's got a whole scoop of protein, and it's a little bit spongy, but it's good. All right, that was for me for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.